Chris Cowboy here. Let's get down underground. I'm here inside of a living crystal vein. Let's keep going further. As you can see, we have crystals everywhere. Lots of fully grown crystals. Now, I'm not going to deface this rock, of course. But I sure would like to take one home with me, embedded in the earth. Gosh, let's see. Ooh, what's this? It's got a little bit of clay around it. That might work. Oh, here we go. Loose as a tooth. Okay. What we got? Tiny baby water clear crystal. Any of you guys want to just volunteer yourselves for the collection? Especially you? Nope. All right. But this is cool. Getting inside of an actual crystal vein. Let's go deeper. Let's go even deeper. All right. We'll see what else we can find. Man, it smells good in here.